In this video, I'll guide you through how to change text density in Gmail so your inbox looks and feels exactly the way you want it to. Whether your screen feels too cluttered or a little too spaced out, adjusting the display density can make Gmail much easier to read and navigate. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. Give the inbox a second to fully load so all the options are available. This feature works best on the desktop version of Gmail, so make sure you're not in a simplified or basic HTML view. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens the quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. You don't have to dig through the full settings menu for this. Everything you need is right here in this panel. Near the top of the quick settings panel, you'll see a section called display density. This is where Gmail lets you control how compact or spread out everything appears in your inbox. If you don't see it right away, scroll slightly within the panel until it becomes visible. Under display density, you'll see three main options: default, comfortable, and compact. Each one changes how your messages are spaced and how much information appears in each row. Let's go through these one by one so you understand exactly what each option does before you choose. The default view is designed for people who like a visually rich inbox. In this mode, Gmail shows larger spacing between messages and includes things like attachment icons directly in the message list. If you receive a lot of files, images, or documents, the default setting makes it easy to spot which emails have attachments at a glance. It's a bit more spread out, but it's also more visually informative. The comfortable view keeps things clean and easy on the eyes, but slightly reduces the spacing compared to default. You still get a clear, readable layout, but without quite as much vertical space between each message. This is a good middle ground if default feels a bit too roomy, but you don't want everything tightly packed together. Finally, there's the compact view. This option reduces the spacing between lines and rows as much as possible, fitting more emails on the screen at once. It's especially helpful if you work from a smaller laptop display or if you receive a lot of emails and want to see more of them without scrolling. The trade-off is that it can look a little denser and might feel slightly less airy, but it's great for efficiency. To apply one of these options, simply click on the choice you prefer: default, comfortable, or compact. As soon as you select it, your inbox will update immediately so you can preview how it looks. Take a second to scroll through your messages and see if the spacing feels right for you. If it doesn't, just open the settings gear again, return to the display density section, and choose a different option. You can switch between these views as often as you like, so don't worry about making the perfect choice the first time. That's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, clicking Settings, choosing Display Density, and selecting the view you prefer, you can quickly customize how your inbox looks and make your email experience more comfortable and efficient.